Right, ladies and gentlemen, here you will find exercise 41 where you need to use your calculator again. And over here it's a bit harder than exercise 40. Why? Because you even get some mixed number like the first one, 1 3 over 7, and a combination about fractions and powers. So let me just have a look at the first one. You find the mixed number 1 3 over 7, and where can you find that mixed number inside on your calculator? Above your fraction, this is your fraction button, you find in yellow one filled square and one fraction next to it, and that's your mixed number. So we need to push the bracket and then shift because it's in yellow, and then the fraction, and there you go, there's your mixed number. And you're gonna fill in all those numbers. So this is a 1, and go to the right because that's a 3, and your denominator is a 7. So there you go. I'm still in my fraction, so I need to push to the right, and now I'm on the right side of my fraction because I would like to close my mixed number, and then to the power of 4. And that's the first answer, but it's still in the fraction, so we need to push the SD button. There you go. So the first answer is 4.16. Now, exercise B. You find that the whole exercise is in a fraction. So I'm gonna start with a fraction. Push in your numerator the sign of 2.1 to the power of 3 minus 8. So 2.1 to the power of 3 minus 8. Push below because I still need to do the denominator, and that's 1.5 to the power of 4 minus. And there you go, that's a mistake what some of you are gonna do. You find a minus still in your index, so I'm gonna push the delete button because I need to go to the right. Yeah, so if you are still in the index, go to the right because I need to go on minus 3. Still a fraction, so push the SD, and that's the answer. So the answer is 0,61. Exercise C. Again, a mixed number to 1 over 3. So inside the bracket, again shift, then the fraction button, to 1 over 3. Go to the right, close the bracket to the power of 3, plus inside my brackets you can start with a minus. You can also push the shift and then the fraction again because it's a mixed number, and then here minus 1, and then above the 1 and under in the denominator the 6. Go to the right because I need to close my bracket, and then to the power of 4. So the answer is 40,56. Alright, next one, again it's a fraction in total, so I start with the fraction. Inside the bracket in the numerator it's minus 2.3, close the bracket to the power of 5, push below, there you go. Right here I'm in the cursor is in the denominator, so 3 squared minus 1.3 to the power of 4 is equal with, there you go, it's a negative number, minus 10,48. Alright, exercise E. It starts with a minus because it's a negative fraction, so you even can start with the minus. Then the fraction button, in the numerator it's 5 to the power of 4. There you go. And then below the denominator is a 7. Go out the fraction to push the right button, divide. Again, inside the fraction, inside the bracket, a fraction 3/4. Here it is, closing the bracket, and then to the power of 3 is equal with, again, a negative number, minus 211,64. The last one, exercise F. A fraction again, 100 in the numerator, and then in the denominator 5 minus 2.8 to the power of 4. And that's it. Equal symbol, and this is the answer, minus 1.77. And that was exercise 41.